What's up guys, Vincent is here. Today I'm going to show you how to record multiple MIDI tracks in Cubase using Roland Fantom as a MIDI controller. As you can see here, first zone is activated on my Fantom and I have piano sounds there. But this piano sounds comes out of Fantom. This time we're going to use VST plugins. So let's go to Cubase and bring some VSTs. Press F11. Let's bring Nexus as a first line. And let's bring something else. For example, Contact. Oops, not Hyperden. Contact as a second line. A track, so we got Contact here. Let's go, for example, to Novo String Designer and load something. Right now, if you play any key on Fantom, you will get the signal on selected line. If I go to the first line, I will get the signal there. But there's no sounds, and we still hear piano sounds which comes out of Fantom. How to get rid of this? Go to Menu, go to System. First, make sure on General, USB driver set as a generic if you want to record only MIDI. Then go down to Sound, and local switch should be turned off. Once you do that, when you play any key on Fantom, you hear nothing, but you will get the signal in Cubase, but we still have no sound. Then go back to Fantom again, go to USB, and set USB audio input switch on. Once you do that, this button became green automatically. You may do it manually in the front panel here like this, or you may use the screen. Okay, let's go back to Cubase. This sounds comes out of Nexus. Let's select the other line. Yeah, this is Novo. Then you can start recording. Or through Nexus. Yeah, it works. Play and listen. Yeah, that works. If you have any problem for the USB connection or MIDI connection, go to Studio and go to Studio Setup and make sure on MIDI port setup all these buttons are active. Otherwise, the MIDI doesn't integrate it with the interface and you got no signal in Cubase. Okay guys, I hope that would be helpful for you. Leave me any comments. If you have any question, I do my best to answer your questions. See you next time.